Welcome to our tutorial on simple functions of the pad command. Right now, we're in the Part Design workbench. I have here, let me shift and change directions. Okay, here we have the Sketch-based Features toolbar. This is also accessible under View, Toolbars, and Sketch-based Features. The Sketch-based Features compact toolbar looks similar to the regular Sketch-based Features toolbar. I'm going to click on the background to deselect everything, and now I'll drag the Pad feature on top of the sketch. As you can see, the Pad definition dialog box has opened. Here we enter a value for length, for example, 1 inch. Press the Tab key, and CATIA gives us a preview of the solid. I can also use limits 1 and 2 and simply drag it up and down. Here, I can click on dimensions and change their value. For example, 2.5. Click OK. You see that the solid has changed. Press OK, and we have our first solid. To rotate this around another point, remember, you can use mouse button number 2 to position the rotation center. Now, I'm going to create a second sketch on this face. We drag the sketch icon to this face, and we'll create a simple rectangle. Exit the sketch. Let's create another pad. Deselect everything. Drag the pad to the sketch. The pad definition dialog window opens. We enter a value for the length if you want to, or you can use this arrow. You can right-click to change the step. Let's say I want to add 0.5. Click OK. Now our increments change by ½ an inch. Click OK. And I will create one more profile on top of this solid. But I'm going to leave a ½ of an inch outside the solid. Exit the sketch. Click Pad. In the Profile Selection field, you can select your sketch by clicking on it. At this time, I'm going to click More, and I'll use the second limit. Let's say I want to change the step. Right-click, change step, new one, enter ½ an inch. I will leave the second limit at ½ an inch. Click OK. And we have another pad. And this concludes our tutorial on simple pad functions.